also wanted to say, I actually don't know if this clip is going at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video. If this is the beginning of the video, this is what's coming up next. And if this is the end of the video, y'all already know what's up. But thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. That, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, that might be still low, but that is amazing to me, and it's so excited to see myself growing and out here, you know, doing the stuff I love and connecting with you guys and sharing great experiences and connections. Thank you. And yeah, I just want to say thanks. On to the video, or in video. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Triple G, and welcome back to another video. Today we're getting back into some more makeup, and actually this might be the start of a new series on the channel. I really want to get into getting out of my comfort zone and doing new things when it comes to makeup. And one of the things that are like, I guess, like not my strong suit is definitely eyeliner. I know, eyeliner, Nayaba? One of the few first things you learn. Yes, eyeliner. Every now and then I still be struggling. So I want to take this time to be able to strengthen that. And you know, if you find like pictures of like weird, cool, out there graphic eyeliner looks, send them my way and I'll attempt to do it as best as I can. But today we're gonna start off with something simple but cute, and you know, and work our way up to the more dramatic stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, I have my eyebrows on and ready to go, and I also put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. I want to get right into this and waste no time. This is about the liner, so let's do it. Okay, so when I first came up with the idea of doing this, I was looking through Instagram and I literally looked up graphic liner, and this is what popped up. Well, of course a lot of different photos popped up, but like it'll be in one of the corners. But we're doing this one today. I think it's nice and simple, still pretty, and a great place to start. So you might see me like look down at my phone every now and then to make sure I'm achieving the right look. But yeah, so let's start. Actually, I'm gonna have it on my computer screen so that we can keep eye contact, you know? And also I'll have the creator tagged in the description. It's just a random photo off Instagram. I don't know her, but of course want to give credit where it's due. And yeah. Okay, so as I'm looking at the picture, it doesn't seem like she has much of a base color on. It looks like she just kind of put like a nice either setting powder or an eyeshadow that matches her skin tone. So we're gonna find a color that does the same for my skin tone. I think we're gonna find a great one in this palette today. And it's not a perfect match, of course, but I think we're gonna do this color right here. This is the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, by the way. And we're gonna get a nice eyeshadow brush. Sorry, hold on. So you guys can see. And we're gonna just put that all over the lid. It's also nice that this color is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, because so to brighten up, a little lighter than my skin tone, so that it will brighten up the eyelid and, you know, just awaken everything. Alright, now that we have our base color on, I just high-key want to be a little extra and put a tiny bit more color in there, and I'm going to go into the Too Faced Berry palette, and I'm going to put this nice pinkish nude shade right here, just lightly over the shade that we just put. You can use the same exact brush because helps with blending, and yeah, all over the lid. All right, now that we are done with our base now, we are gonna go straight into the liner because this is a really simple look and I love it. So we're gonna be using the eyeliner palette by Sava. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Sava Beauty. And let me hype Sava up real quick. Let me hype him up real quick because these liners, remember how I told you, of course, this is what this video is about, my struggle with putting on eyeliner. This has helped me so much because it's not just like your regular eyeliner, it's water activated, and it comes with this really tiny brush that helps you out. It's very thin and tiny, you can barely even see it, and it's been a game changer for me, and so hopefully it won't be as much of a struggle in this video, but we'll see. Alright, so first we're gonna go right into the black. It's just a simple black wing liner. That's all we have to do to start with. And of course it's the only black in the palette. Already have the water on it, and you just mix it together just like, you know, water-based paints used to play with in kindergarten. It's a 10 out of 10. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, now guys, we're gonna get right into the white. I fixed the black liner, so we're good. Alright, so I'm looking at it, and she basically starts another line right next to the outside. So it already looks like mine are already a little more down, or like it should be more like up like this, but it's alright. You know, everybody's different, so this is just the name of spin on it, you know? So let's just go for it. Yo, this being right next to the black, oh my god, we are definitely going to be cleaning up the white as well. And then my makeup coming off, shoot. Alright, we're getting somewhere, and it extends to about, well, that's how you know I'm much further out, because it goes to about where the tip of her eyebrow is, and mine is nowhere near that. It is nowhere near that, so let's just continue drawing upward. Now it's the nice swoop of the liner all the way till about pretty much to the inner corner. So let's just go for it. My hand all in the way, bro. Alright, I'm trying to do it so y'all guys can see too. Ooh, I might muck myself up doing it this way, bro. Alright, okay. Ooh, 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 the hair from my eyebrow, bro. Remind me again why I haven't gotten my eyebrows waxed. Please remind me again. Remind me again. Alright, it's okay. It's okay. Gosh. Okay, let's go from this direction now. I mean, you know, it's something. It's definitely something. We're gonna fix it though. It's alright. It's alright. Okay. It's honestly not the worst. Ooh, my makeup is starting to mix into the white. Oh, gosh. Ain't no way. All right, hold on a second, y'all. Hold on a second. I'm gonna clean this up. I'll be right back. All right, so this is what I came up with. I neatened it up, and I did the other eye. Bro, I don't, does this look crazy? Does this look like the picture? It's a little bit thicker than the picture, but as a whole, I can't tell. Like, do I look loud? I don't know, but maybe I'm thinking too hard. I think actually for the first time, I did pretty darn good. I just had to use that concealer. But let's get into putting the eyeliner in my waterline and smudging it out. So let's do that. And you know, y'all, I have hope that I'll get better because, sorry, I hate talking while doing that, but I used to be trash at putting the liner in my waterline, and look at me now. Look at me now. Alright, we have our black smudged under our waterline and the liner in our waterline. And as I'm looking at the picture, it looks like she also kind of blended a tiny bit of maybe like a nudish, pinkish, maybe even purple color slightly into the bottom of the black. So we're gonna do that. And if I'm just imagining that, we're gonna do it anyway. So yeah. Alright, so we're putting a little bit of this pink right here from the Berries Juvia's Place palette, and we're just gonna blend this right under here up against the black. Alright guys, now that we have blended the pink into the bottom of the black under our eyes, we're gonna go right into the highlighting. And she has like a white highlight in the inner corner and on the brow bone. So I was like, do I want to be extra and use like white glitter, or do I actually want to use this highlighter stuff? And the reason I was contemplating is because every time I open this, it's already flying everywhere. It flies everywhere. And it's kind of a mess, but it's really pretty. I think I'm gonna go for it and hope for the best. So let me spread out this so it doesn't fly over my outfit. Okay. Alright, let's do this. We got my brush, and it's honestly enough in the lid, so I'm gonna just tap in the lid and put it in my inner corner and brow bone. So just like so. Ooh, why haven't I used this in a minute? This stuff is extra pretty. Ooh. And honestly, I've had this, or have been using this for a long time, and I get it from the beauty supply store. Don't be asleep. We're gonna build it, make it pop a little more like hers. And I might still add a dab of the white glitter I have, just to be extra. Alright, we are done putting on the messy highlighter white powder stuff, and honestly, it's giving, but especially on the eyebrow bone, it's a little more sheer than what hers is, and in the inner corner it's a little more sheer, but we're still gonna go for it. And I'm still gonna be a little extra and put a little bit of this glitter in the inner corner, because why not? Why not? Add a little more pizzazz. Add a little more pizzazz. Oh, okay, too much pizzazz, too much pizzazz. Oh, too much pizzazz, too much pizzazz. Wait, abort. Ooh, is it abort? Hold on. This is why sometimes you shouldn't do too much. Give me a second, y'all. Hold on. I'll be back. Alright, period. So, yeah. I like how this looks. It's a little extra than, intended, but I'm still here for it. And now I'm gonna go throw on some foundation and some lipstick, and I'll be back for the finished product. Alright, y'all. And this is the final product. Got my lashes on, got everything done. I only put on clear lip gloss today because the eyes are the moment. The liner is the moment. And I worked hard and I think it came out pretty well. What do y'all think? Was this a flop or why could I not think of a good word like versus flop? Bro, does it look good? Just, yeah. But let me get a little closer so you guys can see. Watch me look at the when I'm editing this, and I'm gonna see some shenanigans somewhere, and I'm gonna be cringing. But yeah, this is it. First episode of the series. Can't wait to try out more things and see how I do with them. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to tell me what you guys want to see next, makeup wise and gaming wise. I am open for suggestions and excited to try new things. Yeah. So until next time, bye.